Unlock faster, easier international money transfers by securely adding your debit card to Remitly today. First, open your Remitly app and log into your account by tapping on the Login button. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the Account or Profile option, usually found in the bottom navigation bar or a menu icon. Within your account settings, you'll find a section labeled Payment Methods. Tap on this to proceed. Here, you'll see your current payment options. To add a new one, tap the Add New Payment Method button. From the available options, select Debit Card. Now, you'll need to enter your debit card details. Carefully input your 16-digit card number, the expiry date in MMYY format, the 3 or 4-digit CVV code found on the back of your card, and the exact name as it appears on your card. Remitly uses advanced security measures to protect your financial information. Once you've entered the details, tap Add Card, or a similar confirmation button. You might receive a notification from your bank for verification. Congratulations! Your debit card is now added and ready to be used as a funding source for your Remitly transfers, making your international payments quick and convenient. Should you encounter any issues, double-check your card details. Ensure your card is enabled for online or international transactions, or contact your bank. You can also find more support within the Remitly app's help section. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips on using Remitly.